Hey beauties! Welcome and welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. A raglan sleeve is always the beauty of the product, and you often ask us for raglan modeling. Today we are going to show you how to build a long raglan sleeve. Let's start as always with work on the front and back, then build a beautiful raglan. To create a beautiful sleeve, we will show you three options for modeling it. A sleeve with a vertical dart, a horizontal one, and a sleeve with two seams. All three styling options make the sleeve look beautiful and help to achieve a perfect fit on the arm. In general, it's time to start. We will start with the basic pattern, breast dart, I'm not working with the neck right now, only raglan. Now I'm drawing the raglan line. You can do any line that you want and that you like. To the back, to the front. Now I'm closing the recess. What's important here, we are not going back to the front and back today. Today's topic is specifically raglan. We remove the front and back to the side. We take the sleeve. From the base, 60 centimeters long, fold in half. Eight to 9 centimeters long and 10 to 12 millimeters here, not under the ruler. The line should be beautiful, and I cut it off. The sleeve can be double seam or triple seam. Look at these darts. We put the shoulder to this line. Write your shoulder on these pieces. This side of the undercut goes in line with the shoulder. And the same is here. This is the beginning of the raglan construction, and now we will redraw it. And then we start working with the sleeve. Now I will not show you anything new, I will just circle. I'm actually in love with the raglan. This is the front part, and now we're back to our first sleeve. This is our sleeve. We need to mark the elbow line. To do this, you need to know the level of the top of the sleeve. Here it is. This is where the shoulder ends and the sleeve begins. I lay 34 centimeters from the beginning of the shoulder. You may ask, what is 34 centimeters? This is my measurement from the beginning of the shoulder to the elbow. You will have other parameters. The beginning of the shoulder is here. Set aside 34. This is the elbow line. This distance is 34. From the beginning of the sleeve to the elbow, 34. When we were building this long sleeve, we narrowed it. 26. 26 means 6 centimeters needs to be removed. You yourself must imagine which sleeve you want to get in the end. And if the sleeve is without a fastener, then this is 20. So I take 20. How do we remove 6 centimeters? In the front part, I put 1.5 centimeters on the front. Here is 1.5 centimeters. I put 3 centimeters here and we build the front cut. From here we go to point 3. Now and here you need to pick up 3. Divide the distance in half. This is 8. These two sections are equal and we make a line. From this line downwards we set aside 3 centimeters. Here 1.5 and here 1.5. In the front part we cut from the extreme cut and from the back we take the dart. We build an elbow dart. Now be careful, I cut. Now look. The first option is that we can sew up this dart and create an elbow volume. We fold the sleeve. In the back, volume is created for the elbow. The direction will be like a two-seam sleeve. Right now you can see that our sleeve tilts this way. Second option. Everything is the same, but the elbow dart will be horizontal. One piece sleeve with a small dart. And now you will see what a one-piece sleeve looks like. This part goes right here. And when the sleeve is put on, it resembles a two-seam sleeve in shape. Close the dart again. Any option is correct. I like this option the most. Here we make a dart instead of a seam. This is the shape of the sleeve. If we cut 3 cm from one edge and 3 cm from other, then it will not occur the same sleeve shape. I hope this topic was interesting to you. I'm really enjoyed to be a mentor in sewing, and I hope you like it too. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. The links on our courses will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!